Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE Blade A53 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by hitting OK. After that, tap on Send at the bottom left corner and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android smartphone. Stick around on your Android and set up the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to ZTE. Finally, from Send section, you can select all of your files that you wish to transfer. If you want to, you can always select all of those categories and pick your files like that. Then, when you finished, tap on Send next to Selected. I will go with only this one photo, so I need to click and tap on Send then. Wherever you do, when you finished, over here, tap on Got it. Then decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key into Input Key section, just click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then, to connect, tap on Receive button. If you want to scan this QR code though, click on Scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. So now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!